Hey everyone, Nicole here from CellBotics. So I wanted to make a short video about a question that I received from time to time asking, is it too late to actually get into the cell phone industry? Can you still earn income? Is there longevity in it? And so I'm just going to have some real honest opinions from what I see and what we see is going on with the industry. And so I want to say, no, it is not too late to get into the cell phone industry. But then I also want you to change the way you look at the cell phone industry. So it's not just phones, okay? It's smartwatches, it's gaming systems, it's drones, it's smart home technology. So we actually talk about this in class, okay? And these are things that we cover. So we've been working with some larger corporation, and we know some things are coming down the line that are not widely known. And preparing yourself for smart home technology is something that we highly recommend, because that's going to be like the next big push. And so that goes with everything, like an LCD in the wall that controls your security system, to controlling your refrigerator, to controlling your stove, to locking your doors, turning on your lights, controlling your robotic vacuum. And so in the future, so like maybe 5 to 10 years, that's going to be a really big ticket item. And cell phone technicians are already getting geared up to be able to cover that industry for repair, because really, who else would they use? So the skills that you're going to learn in here, you're going to apply for a lifetime. It's not just right now. Get that out of your mind. You're not coming here and just like, oh, I'm going to learn iPhone 7 repair, and when the 7s aren't popular, I'm not going to be able to do any more repair. That's just not true. Are there issues that come up with the manufacturers? Yes, there is, but there are things in the works always. We have the right to repair. We have China that's always coming out with new tools. So don't feel like cell phones are going anywhere. Do you really see someone not having a cell phone in 4 or 5 years? No, that's not going to happen. The cell phone industry is here to stay. We believe that. But your skill will morph into something else. It will grow income within the technology field. We've made videos about this before, Michelle and I, that we have seen a shift in cell phone shops from just cell phones to a device repair center where people can bring any electronic and get repaired. That's why we are pushing our Device Masters course so hard. It's not just because it's a bigger course and it's more money. It's because we see the shift happening. So of course you can come take the cell phone course and make a ton of money and live free and do mobile repair and open a store or own a franchise and do perfectly fine. But we do recommend, if you can, take the Device Masters course, because that's going to just take you a whole other light year speed ahead and allow you to fix computers and teach you so much, printers, and you can take all of these skills and apply it across a wide range of areas, okay? And so that's really why we've been promoting the Device Masters course so much, okay? So for you that ask me and are concerned about the cell phone industry, cell phones are not going away. People are always going to be communicating somehow with a mobile device, okay? Will that mobile device change? Yes, but it has always been changing. Think about with flip phones and brick phones. Look how far we've come in how short amount of time, okay? So don't get discouraged. Don't be afraid, right? This industry is here to stay, but if it changes, you will change with it, okay? It's not like all of a sudden one day you're going to wake up and your skills are going to be invaluable, right? Nobody's going to need anything fixed ever again. You know, that's just not going to happen. So sign up for a course. We really look forward to helping you. We're going to support you afterwards, okay? We are here with you. Read our reviews. I mean, I cannot say it enough. Look at what our graduates are doing with their education. This is just an amazing field, okay? So check us out. Check out CellBotics. Check out our website if you're not already on it, and that's maybe where you're finding this video. Either way, reach out to us if you have questions, and thank you for watching this, and like and subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube. All right, bye-bye.